good day everyone. I hope you are doing good today, and I would like to welcome you all in our computer class. And today we are going to discuss all about working with chart. Before we are going to discuss all about charts, allow me first to present to you our lesson objectives. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to recognize the purpose of charts and format a chart. So I would like to ask you this question, class. What are charts for? And what are the steps in creating and formatting a chart? As we go on with our discussion, so we will define what is a chart, what are the purpose of charts, and I will present to you the steps on how to create and format a chart. So here, let's define first chart. As defined by the Cambridge Dictionary, it is a way of presenting information, usually by putting it into vertical rows and boxes, so it can be easily understood. Charts allow us to present data graphically. Then we are going to use different types of chart to present data effectively. So here, let's discuss the types of chart. Each type of chart helps us learn more about the data that we have. Let us look at the four most commonly used charts. Let's have number 1, column chart. This is used to compare different values. Column charts are graphs with rectangular bars plotted vertically with lengths proportional to the values they represent. It is a data visualization where each category is represented by a rectangle with the height of the rectangle being proportional to the values. So if you are going to look at this one, so this is an example of a column chart. The bars are plotted vertically, then the values, no? So here, and this one also, so it is represented, no? The bars, rectangular bars plotted vertically, then the length of the number, no, is proportional to the values they represent. Number 2, let's have line chart. This is used to show the behavior of values over a period of time. It is a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called markers connected by straight line segments. What is a line chart used for? Line chart is used to track changes over short and long periods of time. It is also used to compare the changes over the same period of time for more than one group. How do you describe a line chart? It is a chart, it is a type of chart that is used to show information that changes over time. Like for example here, so this is what we call as the markers. This one, and they are connected by straight line segments. So here, it is used not to represent changes over long or short period of time, Like for example, in this illustration, so here we have the, like for example, in 1999, so the production over the year, we have 40, then on the year 2000, it becomes 50, then 2001, it falls down to 40, and on 2002, it rise up to 120. So again, it shows that changes. It tracks the changes over short or long period of time. Number 3, pie chart. This is used to show the contribution of each part to the whole value. It is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. In a pie chart, the arc length of each slice is proportional to the quantity it represents. What is a pie chart used for? It can be used to show percentages of a whole and represents percentages at a set point in time. Like for example here. So again, it shows the contribution of each part to the whole value. Like for example, in this example, no, here the cost of an education, breakdown of average cost per student expenditures for public education. So here, we have 61% for instruction, then we have 35% for support services, and 4% for non-instruction. So as what is stated there, in a pie chart, the arc length of each slice is proportional to the quantity it represents. Like for example here, 61% that falls to instruction. So the slice of that pie, that whole, so ang 61%, dako gyud siya og bahin. Compared to 35 and 4%. Dili siya pwede nga 35% siya pero ang illustration on the pie graph mas dako pa kaysa sa 61%. Now, the fourth one, we have the bar chart. This is used to compare many different values. A bar chart or a bar graph is a chart or graph that presents categorical data with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the values that they represent. Actually, if you are going to look at bar graph and column chart, bar chart and column chart, they are the same, but the only difference is the bar chart is presented horizontally while the column chart is represented vertically. So here, inganig porma ang bar chart. Bar chart and column chart are one and the same in terms of functionality and are only different in terms of orientation of column or bar, either vertically or horizontally. Both charts show the size of bar column based on the proportional value of the data. Differences between a bar chart and a column chart. Try to look at the table, class. In bar chart, the category variables are placed on the vertical axis. And in the column chart, the category variables are placed on the horizontal axis. In bar chart, the data is represented in bars extending to the right from the vertical axis. On the other hand, column chart, the data is represented in bars extending upwards from the horizontal axis. Bar chart is useful when there are a large number of categories. On the other hand, column chart is useful when there are a less number of categories. Now let's talk about chart insertion. How do we create a chart in our document? First, select Insert, then choose the Chart button. The Insert Chart dialog box will be shown on the screen. Then, from the All Charts found on the left side, we choose the type of chart appropriate for our data. Then, select OK. So, like this one. So, after you select Insert, then you choose Chart button. Then, after you click All Charts here, okay, after you click All Charts, you can choose the type of chart that is appropriate for our data. So, we have column, line, pie, bar, area, map, stack, surface, and many more. And after you choose the type of chart, then you need to click OK. Then after clicking OK, a spreadsheet is shown. We place our data to be used in the chart in the spreadsheet. As we type in our data, it will automatically be shown in the chart. So here, this is the spreadsheet. This one. And like for example, category 1. Here, on A2, category 1. If you are going to replace that one, if you are going to replace category 1, so automatically, the word category 1 in the graph will be replaced. Then once done, enter the chart title. So you're going to rename this one and put the chart title. So later on, I will be demonstrating this one. Now let's have chart editing. When we want to modify our charts, we select it, then go to the Chart Tools Contextual Design tab. Then, to add or remove a chart element, select the Add Chart Element button and choose from the options. Then second, to change the overall layout of a chart, you need to select Quick Layout. And to format the color and styles, select Change Colors or pick from the Chart Styles gallery. Number 4, to change the content of a row and column, use Switch Row or Switch Column button. To remove some of the selections, select Edit Data. To change the chart type, select Change Chart Type. And always remember, class, inserting data helps the readers understand more the content of our documents. Let us remember to choose which chart is more appropriate to use for the content. Okay, in this video, I will demonstrate to you on how to insert chart into our document. So the first thing that we should do, we need to select the Insert tab, this one. Then, in the Illustrations group, we should click Chart. Then after clicking the Chart button, the Insert Chart dialog box will be shown on the screen. From the all charts found on the left side, we choose the type of chart appropriate for our data. So here, there are options here we have column, line, pie, bar, area, and many more. So in this example, we are going to use column. And you can choose any styles here. And after you choose the desired chart, then we should click OK. Then here. Then after clicking OK, then after you select OK, a spreadsheet is shown. We place our data to be used in the chart in the spreadsheet. As we type in our data, it will automatically be shown in the chart. So here, so for a while, I would like to erase this one. Okay. So, after we click OK, after we select OK, a spreadsheet is shown. We place our data to be used in the chart in the spreadsheet. As we type in our data, it will automatically be shown in the chart. So here, like for example, we have this one. Let's start with series 1 and series 2. So we are going to change this one. We have sales. And for series 2, we are going to type expenses. Okay, then for category 1, let's have January. Then for category 2, let's have February. Then for category 3, let's have March. And for category 4, let's have April. Okay, so here class, after you change the data in the spreadsheet, so try to look at the data in the chart. So nausab sad siya. Like for example here, in sales, kaning blue, for January, we have 4.3. So try to look at the chart. So if we, for example, if we are going to change this one to 3, what will happen? Okay, 3. Then, automatically, na-change ang data sa ato ang chart. Then, like for example, this one. So we are going to okay. Once done, enter the chart title. So we are going to enter the chart title. So like for example, we are going to put here sales and expenses for the month of January to April. Okay. Then we need to close the spreadsheet. Okay, so mauna ni siya ang atoa nga. Okay, so this is our chart. Now, let's proceed on chart editing. When we want to modify our chart, we select it, then go to the charts Tools Contextual Design tab. So we're just going to select the chart, then go to the Charts Design Contextual tab. Then, to add or remove a chart element, select the Add Chart Element button and choose from the option. So here, you can change anything here. Then, to change the overall layout of a chart, select Quick Layout. So if you are going to click this one for a while, if you are going to click Quick Layout, then here, we have Layout 2, Layout 3, we have Layout 4, this one. Okay, so we choose Layout 1. Then to format the color and styles, select Change Colors or pick from the Chart Styles gallery. So here, Change Colors, then you can choose this one, or else go to the chart, or else go to the Chart Styles and choose a style that you want. Then to change the content of a row or column, use Switch Row or Switch Column button. So this one. Then to remove some of the selection, select Edit Data. Like for example here, you can edit the data both in Excel. So like for this one, then you can so you can change the data here. Okay. Then to change the chart type, select Change Chart Type, this one, and choose, like for example, let's have a line chart. Okay. Let's have bar chart. Okay, that's it, and thank you so much. And now, let's have our asynchronous activity in Computer 4. Kindly answer, let's test ourselves, match the items on page 210, and please take note of the following. Thank you so much and God bless.